Morning, folks. We're here at the farm today installing a nucleus of honeybees. These are Russian honeybees from a former president of the Russian Bee Breeders Association. So I'm pretty excited to have them come join the other colonies that we've got here at the farm. Russian bees, they're incredibly hardy bees. They do very well overwintering. They're very disease resistant, very healthy bees that require perhaps less intervention than some of the other breeds like the Italians. The downside to them is they do have a reputation for being defensive. So you'll see today I'm wearing the heavy duty gloves and full jacket, not just a veil. Sometimes you may see me do some work without gloves or just a veil on, but especially on a rainy, cloudy day like this, we're gonna go ahead and take necessary safety precautions. So let's give them a little bit of smoke and we'll get started here. All right, with that little bit of smoke, they all went ahead and dropped down. It looks like this hive has been building for a while because I can see, as I look here, quite a bit of the comb sort of stuck together from one frame to the next. And we'll start from the outside here. And there we go, a nice heavy frame. We've got some resources up here, some honey that they've got. This is nectar here, so that'll be a good food supply to get them started. It's wonderful. Move on to the next frame. Okay, some more resources. We got honey up here in the corners. Actually, we've got some brood too. This is all brood right in here that's starting. And on this side, same deal. You've got honey here. They're actually eating some of the honey right now up here in the corner. Just trying to look. Quite a cluster of bees there. I just wanted to make sure that the queen wasn't here, but it doesn't look like it. I'm going to try to just scrape off a little bit of this burr comb as we are going along here, just to try to keep these frames clean and so that nothing gets too out of whack here. I think we've got this, there we go. We had it stuck at the bottom. Oh yeah, quite a bit of brood on this. We've got some drone brood at the bottom. I'm looking for the queen here. I don't see her yet. Yeah, quite a bit of brood here though, you can see. I mean, that's a wonderful brood pattern. And there's larvae in here as well, just off to the side of the brood. So this will be a nice, healthy colony right from the get-go. And that's the advantage of getting nukes as opposed to, there's a queen cup here at the bottom. I don't like that, but that's the advantage of getting nukes over packages is you get a bit of a head start, which can really be helpful when you're starting a new colony. So I'll tell you what, I mean, I know that they have this reputation for being defensive, but so far these aren't any different than some of the more gentle bees, quote unquote, that we handle here at the farm. So I suspect that the queen's in here and I just haven't seen her. This is a very full colony. It might be a little bit easier once we get them in a full-blown hive, but they're pretty packed in here right now. So quite a bit of larvae on this and a lot of brood here as well. I see some drone that have hatched. There's a drone bee right here. See, he's a little bit bigger than the others. We're going to clean some of these cells off. Oh, is that her? Let's see. No. Thought it was the queen here for a second, but no such luck. Okay. Go ahead and drop this one in as well. All right, last frame. A lot of nectar and honey on this one, so it's a great resource frame. It'll give these bees a decent amount. Yeah, look at that. See all that honey in the middle? This will give them some good resources. So, all right. Well, I'm confident the queen's in there somewhere, just because we're seeing so many signs of her. But didn't spot her, and given the sprinkles that we have right now, I don't want to take any longer than necessary to get these girls squared away. So we're gonna let it go for today. Sometimes you just gotta know when to quit. All right, take a few minutes, just get these frames a little bit more cleaned up, but thanks for joining me, and see you next time.